In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade a fluorescent light fixture to LED. This is one that's already been done. Let's get started with a new one. Here's our current fluorescent fixture. The first step is to shut off power. Shop lights, breaker, off. Now we get to remove both bulbs. With the bulbs removed, we now need to remove the middle piece here by pinching it to reveal the ballast. This fixture is a bit of a rat's nest, but it's really quite simple when you break it down. You got your power coming in, hot, neutral, you got your ground here. Over here we've got tombstones. We need them on one side to be non-shunted, and I believe these are. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out all this, remove the two ballasts, and we'll check in. Alright, with everything removed, it looks a whole lot cleaner. We trimmed off the wires at that end, we've got our incoming power, and we've got our tombstones. We're going to remove that now. Okay, so in this fixture, we have one red wire and one blue wire that goes to each one of these. So we actually just have one red and one blue going to hot, and one red and one blue going to neutral. And all should be well. The next step will be putting in the first bulb and testing power. Back at the breaker, let's see what we got. We have success. Let's put the middle piece in and the other bulb. Alright, the fixture's complete. It looks great.